21st of January 2025. It is our court hearing at branch 43, Tacloban City. And how sad, two of the lawyers, unfortunately, have not seen them here earlier to I mean the one staff of the court told me the other lawyer missed his flight in Manila, so he could not attend to it for the hearing. And the other lawyer also have another appointment. I don't know, the lawyer of my younger brother. And for me, my representative, I don't care because but I did my part to ask a lawyer, but he did not check last December until this moment at the court the status of my case. That's why the hearing will be rescheduled. I don't know, but I just have to wait for the time for our part to be called at the courtroom, so that I will know that the date or the schedule, the reschedule, the calendar. I don't know when again will be rescheduled. Okay, so astagfirullah, I don't know what is happening to my mga toxic family members. This should not happen because we can just plainly or just make the petition simple, but they would like us to do my papa and his cohorts, the toxic or mga my little sisters, the two of them would like us to waste our time, money and effort. That's why they do this to us. But inshallah, Allah knows what's best for all of us. Inshallah, they will pay whatever they have wronged us, right? Inshallah. And wait, ginawa ba ini pag-back? Wait ha, kay direct mag-back. Direct mag-back. Yeah. Wasting time in Islam is haram. That's why this Baba and our toxic family members, inshallah, and all the wrongdoers in this dunya, including our corrupt politicians in the Philippines and other parts of the world, should really have to be punished by Allah. That instead they will do something that is productive, healthy activities and productive. So they do this to all the servants of Allah who love to please Allah. That's why, inshallah, they will have inshallah to have this Calaban hope from they would really deserve to have the Calaban out of love for their misdeeds and wrongdoings, because we are not designed by Allah here to do. I'm here waiting for the uh, our part to enter the courtroom. Today is Jumaa, 31st of January 2025. But two of the lawyers, even my lawyer that have not visited here, are not around. So the court hearing would be in another time or be rescheduled, and I have to wait for our part to enter the courtroom, so I will know the court hearing schedule next schedule. And that's it. So inshallah, I don't know with this for they love to do haram. Actually last year it was full of the mga litigants, yeah. But now it's not full. And I do blah 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 before, because the Iblis doer toxic family members was here. And you know what, it was also Friday last year when the court hearing was held here at Branch 43, and astaghfirullah, I was so late with my salah because we were called around past 2 p.m. Astaghfirullah. Now inshallah I can pray on time, inshallah, because our hearing will be rescheduled, but I have to wait for the judge to call us. Actually, my eldest brother left already. He just told me that I just have to attend to know to get the order of the court for the next scheduling of the court hearing. Ay nako, we know that the Ramadan is coming again, and then I do have other court battles regarding also properties at Branch 6. That's why, and it is also held on the Ramadan time. It's March, there's 14 cases, This is addressed to my father of mga toxic family members, you really love us to waste our time, money, and effort in this dunya. Inshallah, you will really be punished by Allah, inshallah. I've already have, I don't know, I just be mom for this time, and Allah knows best for all of us, both good doers and wrong doers in this dunya. Astaghfirullah. That's why pagbak, dili pagod ako mamakbak, ini pagbak. Yeah, that's there. I have to, I have to finish this one. Still, we are not full at the courtroom, and I think I'm the only one here, and the others are not one already. They're not around, so I just have to wait or get the order of the court for the next schedule of our hearing here, and